Hey everyone, back again with me. In this video, I'm finally using my large format camera again, and I decided to visit a place that's been on my list for quite a while, a historical spot around Yokohama called the Negishi Racetrack Grandstand, known as Japan's first Western-style racetrack.
It was built in 1860s, so it said like it's once a glamorous hub for elites and now an abandoned relic step in forgotten history. So I think it's a very interesting, since I will use my large format camera. So I think the detail of this building is kind of interesting to see with the details we can produce with the large format film. I'm going to shoot with a black and white film, a negative film, and positive film. So 3 shots in overall for today session. So the black and white film is Ilford HP5. The negative film is Fuji Pro 160 NS, and the positive film is Kodak Ektachrome. So yeah, let's do it. So yeah, I'm done framing. I think it's an interesting frame and it's a good frame in my opinion. So I'm gonna do a light metering a little bit before putting the film inside the camera. So I'm gonna use the 32 aperture. Then I need to close this one as well. And the shutter speed, I probably go with the shutter speed. The light meter said it's 125, but I think I probably go with 60. Yeah. Okay, let's do it. So Ilford HP5 black and white film, 400 ISO. So let's see. Okay, so we're gonna shoot the first scene in 1, 2, and 3. All right. Yeah, the first shot is done. So I'm gonna walking around a little bit around here to find 2 more spots for the negative and positive film. So yeah, but we'll be shooting the same building as well. So yeah, focusing and framing is done. Now I'm going to close the lens and set up the shutter speed and aperture. I'm going to use the same aperture, which is f32, and let's measure the light. So, and now I'm going to shoot with my negative film, which is Fuji Pro 160 NS. Okay, so let's say shutter speed is 30. Okay, going to shoot with Fuji Pro 160 NS. Let's take out the dark slide and then shoot the scene in 1, 2, and 3. Okay, it's done. All right.
I'm going to find the third place, which is last place of the day, last shot of the day, using the positive film. So yeah, let's go. Nice. I think it's a good frame for the third shot, and also have done focusing things. So yeah, let's take a third shot, which is last shot as well of the day. I'm going to use the Ektachrome positive film. So yeah, it's interesting to see how it looks like. So I'm going to use the same 32 aperture with now is 15 shutter speed. It's locked already, and I'm going to take out the dark slide and shoot the third spot, which is last spot, in 1, 2, and 3. All right. So yeah, that's it. I've been shooting. I took 3 photos today using 3 different films: black and white, negative film, and positive film, for this Negisi Racetrack standing building built in 1860s. So I think it's kind of interesting to see this historical building and the details of it using a large format film. So yeah, I think it's because it's been a while for me to not shooting with my large format camera. So I'm kind of like not confusing, it's kind of like trying to remember the steps, because usually I use the my medium format camera, so the step is different. So on the first shot in black and white, I forgot to do focusing. So hopefully it's turned out right, but yeah, I forgot to do that. But I think in the last 2 shots, which is negative and positive film, I think I did the steps quite right. So hopefully the results will turn out great as well. So yeah, I think that's it for today. I think I'm gonna go to shoot with my large format camera a lot more in the future. So yeah, thanks all for joining as always, and see you guys in the next video.